What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing a little bit of turkey hunting. Right now we're out here trying to roost some birds because it's the night before opening day. We're on one of the pieces of property that I have permission to hunt, and I haven't really had much luck. I've just been walking around seeing if there's anything out in these fields. Haven't really seen anything yet. Usually the past 2 nights I've seen 2 different toms go roost in a piece of hardwoods over this way. So I'm hoping that's the case again. Yesterday it was a really big tom that roosted in there. Probably had a 10 or 12 inch beard, so hopefully we can get a crack at him tomorrow. Tomorrow we can't hunt all day because I have school and can only hunt for about an hour and a half before I have to go back to school, but we're gonna try find something tonight and hopefully kill one in the morning, so stay tuned. What's up, guys? It is about 5:10 right now on opening day of turkey season, and we're walking to one of these spots where I've usually had luck getting at least seeing birds, but I didn't roost anything last night. And I tried hooting a few times this morning, didn't hear nothing. It was a little bit early when I did that, but it seems like by now they'd be up. So I'm not sure how much luck we're gonna have today. I'll be lucky if I hear a gobble, I think. But we're gonna give it our all, and hopefully we come up with something at some point. So we'll see how it goes. Okay, guys, so I haven't been able to strike up anything yet. I'm not sure if there's just no birds or if they're being quiet, so I'm gonna walk around and try finding something, but for now I'm gonna put away the camera so it's one less distraction. So hopefully we can find some. We'll see. Okay, that's a good sign. Alright, so we were able to find some birds, and we've called them in a couple hundred yards. They're not too close, but they're in this field in front of me here, so I'm not getting my hopes up too much for killing them today, but you never know, they slowly keep getting closer. So we're gonna try our luck with these birds. We only got about an hour to try and kill them, so we'll see how it goes. Well, guys, as you guys just saw, I called a bird in from all the way on the other side of that cornfield, which for a cornfield is pretty big. I called him straight across, which I was not thinking I'd be able to do. And called him right to the edge of it. So about 80 yards from where I was. And then all he did was called him and was like, probably right about over there. And all he did was take this corner and kept on walking that way and either cut in the woods or wandered on over there. So I don't know exactly where he went or why he didn't want to come in. Maybe he thought it was thick, but I felt like I was really well covered. Like, I don't think he saw me. There's no way he saw me. Even just this cover on the edge of the field here. I can't even see my setup through that cover. Like, he didn't see me, that's for sure. But I heard another bird hammering off over there. I don't know if it was the same bird and he just started cutting the distance real fast. Maybe he's trying to circle around. I don't know, but I don't got much time left, probably about 20 minutes. Might call my way back, see what happens. But if not, then that's gonna be all for opening day of turkey season here in New York. So it was a lot better than I was expecting. You guys watched me this morning. I went across the road over there and didn't hear any gobbles. I heard some birds gobbling over here and further on another property over there that I knew I wasn't gonna be able to go get. And come over here and those birds are gobbling way over there. Then I was able to call him in to 80 yards. 40 more and he'd been dead. So that's what my setup looked like. Right there. With me behind it, which, my honest opinion, I think I'm wearing too much brown to fit into this. Any movement I would have done probably would have stuck out pretty good, but I've learned to camo up my sets a lot better. So we're gonna, like I said, call our way back, and if we can't strike anything up, that's gonna be it for the day.